What's up? So, nagbabalik na naman tayo sa YouTube! So, may nahanap ako na game na to sa Roblox na pangalan Auto Wall Hop Tower. Parang, pag gumanon ka, tignan ko, hindi ko hinawakan. Like, hindi ako magaling mag-wall hop tapos nagaganyan. Diba, amazing, sarap laruin, hindi mo magaling ka mag-wall hop. Okay. Alam ko may 1,000 stud wall hop dito eh. Sorry guys, I got a cough because I've been on sick, but I keep posting y'all because I want to make happy y'all. Oh, this is the like 500 stud wall hop bro. I'm not even touching it. Look. Oh my god. See, brother, it's auto. I'm not even. Look, I'm not even on safe lock, bro. No, this is. Yeah, free here coin. So let's finish this tower, yo. Let's finish this tower, okay? Oh. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. No. Look, yo. Look. Oh my god, I'm so pro. Oh, we can look. Ah. Okay, we are making progress. Gabriella. Yes, sir. Gabriella is the best in the world. Oh, what? Whoa. Okay, chat. Meron akong pasok bukas. Yeah. Cause study first ako ba? Study first. I'm grade 4 by the way. I'm grade 4. And I'm 13 years old. Okay, we're making progress. Oh my god! Yeah, okay. Sorry guys, my sister is super noisy because there are usaping. Yeah, like talking each other. I got 2 sisters. Bigger than me, by the way, bigger than me. They are college, bro. Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! Sit back and relax. Oh my god, what is that? Look, funny. Take me, baby. Turn around and then take me, baby. Okay, we're almost finished this thing. Okay. Oh my god, my friend! Okay, bro. Bro, I'm a punch master, bro. I returned that with a fucking laser. Now I'm gonna fucking beat her ass. I'm gonna put my wedgie to her ass. Bro, hell no. I'm gonna swear, by the way. I'm gonna swear. Fuck. Joke lang. Just joking, guys. I'm a good boy. I'm a daddy's boy. Yeah, daddy's boy. Okay. Okay, bro. I hope I don't disconnect because my Wi-Fi is little laggy. I don't know how. Uy, wag kayo magmura. I'm filming a video. Huwag kayo magmura. Okay? My sister is shutting down because I said shut up. Okay. Okay, making progress. Kemerot! Ang sakit yung iniwan niya ako. Grabe, ang sakit. Oh my god, malapit na tayo. Whole wide world. Niga. Nigger. 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 Yes! Sorry guys, I'm being unpopular. Sorry. I hope I'm not being banned of YouTube. Sorry YouTube if you watching this. Fly to the end? Bro! Yo, oh my god. I really want like I want magic carpet. How to get magic carpet? Rock your body. Oh my god, so we finished this tower. GG bro, GG. So, you know what I'm thinking about? Guys, what should we play? Like I'm a demon, like I'm a demon slayer fan. Oh, let's play Brookhaven with my friend. Guys, do you know Speed dog names is Nigger. Like what the frick? I got the dog is black too, but I'm not racist by the way. So guys, okay. Bro, my avatar is too handsome. Look, my avatar is too handsome. Look. Yo, why am I a girl, bro? I'm sus. Sorry, yo. Wait. Look. Ah! Guys, I'm so cute, bro. I'm so cutie. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm so cute. Bro, what the? It's too. Oh my god. Tagiat, bro. Giat. Oh, hell no.
It's a random stranger.
Bro! I'm a cute baby. Why are you?
Wala kasi
Bro, magkatay! Bro, what the freak? Guys, I'll go about. I'm gonna transform. Don't bully me. Look, watch and learn. Klaboom! Klaboom, bro! Klaboom! Yes, sir. I'm a Zepeto. I got a red Zepeto
Ayo.
and blue Zepeto. And I got Zepeto girl. Yes, so and I get the Zepeto. Yeah, with Karambit, look. I got Karambit and I get Food Panda. Yes, sir. Food Panda. Wait guys, I'm gonna end the video. I'm doing something. Bye.